Okie dokie. So this is the simulation of GBP JPY. I'll start on Monday the 25th of November. Um, that's the same start date as Yuga did. So we can compare a bit and help each other. I will do my analysis without recording. Just once I have a setup, I will record that and explain what I see. Okie dokie. Okay, so let's talk about structure. The monthly is apparently in an uptrend. I don't have a lot of history, but I assume to the left we will see that we are in an uptrend. Current candle made a higher high. It also has a higher low compared to previous months. It still has a small body. It's green. It's bullish. The weekly seems also to be in an uptrend. Um, Again, we don't have a lot of history to the left, but as we can see, last 6 weeks we are in a sideways market. On the daily, we can see that sideways market very clear, but we are in an uptrend. That's a structure with the base here. H4. Um, you can see the sideways market, then a breakout to the upside that made the structure bullish with its base here. Then we had this red candle closing on or below this wick. That makes that the market is bearish on H4, and its base is just here. H1 also is bearish as long as we stay with the close of a candle below this point. And we can see a bearish structure also on M30 with this as the base, where structure will flip if a candle closes above. Okay, so how to trade this? I start at 13 hour, just like Roger does. In fact, I would like to trade with the lower time frame structure, which is bearish on H4, H1, M30. That would be nice if we can sell. Let's see if we can find something um, with the fib. Look, this is the safety net. We stayed below. It would be pretty awesome if we can make a down move. Um, I will move bars by 15 minutes. Okay, we still see the zone is respected. Let me pause again and I will be back when I see a trade. I'm hesitant. This is the M30. We closed right on this support. How does it look on H1? It's like this. A very nice bearish candle that would make me almost to sell, but I indeed hesitate because when we look to the H4 we had a big, really a big candle going up. So I'm afraid we just made a wick on the new H4 candle, a down wick. So I'm afraid that price can go up. What I will do is wait for a little bit to see what happens. I'm afraid I will miss a trade, but okay, that's it. We are 1 hour before New York opens, so I cannot count on volume yet. Okay, I'm even more in doubt now. Um, I currently only look 15 minutes later. I just pushed once this next bar button on a M15 chart. But this pin bar looks really attractive. It made a lower high, a little bit of lower low, just that the body is small. That's what I do not like about it. But we ran into this resistance. It was also the safety net. 3/4 of an hour before New York Open, I would take a small trade, 1%. Let me do that. And I put the stop loss 3 pips above previous candle high 23,7, which is here. And I would say, oh, that's only 10 pips, the stop loss. I would say let me take my profit here, 3 pips above 86, like there. But I will take partials earlier. Okay, let's do it. I will manage on M15 bars. Okay, this does not look good, not at all. It's 2 minutes for, okay. Hey, shit. Now I make a mistake, sorry. So. Okay, this is where I had to stop. I've to cut half of my position because the M15 bar closes bullish. And it does not look nice at all. It even does not have a down wick. But probably in the next 15 minutes of the M30 candle, price could go down because we don't have that wick on the downside. Let's close partials. 50% of the trade. And let's move on. I'm afraid it will touch my stop loss. Okay. So this is where the New York opens. The previous bar still made a lower high, but not a lower low, and this candle is really bullish. How does the hourly look like? The hourly, okay, looks like this. That's beautiful. It is bullish, but it is an indecision bar. So that gives me a little bit of hope that price comes down. With the previous bar did not make that wick. Let's see. Okay, I don't like this, to be honest. With this bar made a higher high, but we are so close to the stop loss, I will let it run. I will take my loss if needed. Yeah, I'm afraid this. Yeah, it's done. Okay, that's my first loss. I lost 0.7% instead of 1%. In case price breaks up to the upside, I'm very interested to take a buy instead of that sell. But I'm also interested um, to sell below here. Let me look what we have here. 14, 15 pips. Not that much, but let me try to get it. Okay. Let me rewind a bit. Oh, that's not necessary, is it? No, that's not necessary. The new candle just started. Okay, okay, just for sake of to be clear, this bar closed above this pin and this pin, not right above this pin. I hope the following candle makes a down wick and then pushes above here. If it does so, I will buy. Let me put it like this. That's really a tiny wick. Almost like no wick. But we are in volume time. We have this beautiful candle to the left. Damn it, so attractive, man. So attractive. Okay, I bet you made the same mistake as me. 3 pips stop loss below. Looks quite good. Let me I don't have really one-to-one. Let's go with that. I'm quite sure this is wrong, and I'm so sure you did the same. Let's go. Okay, that's 50 minutes into the M30 bar. What a beautiful 1 hour bar. Okay, let's continue. Six, 7, 8, 9, and stop. This is the end of the hourly. It's quite okay that it retraced. It closed above resistance, closed below this resistance, but well, that's not really a problem. This is the M15. Okay, I will go on. Yep, I will go on. Let me move my stop to below this candle. How can we do that? Stop loss, PL and pips, stop loss, and then we put a new stop loss at beautiful. Hey. Oh. Okay. Price. Let me put it there. 140, 100. 140, 100. Accept. There we go. Okay. That's the end of the 15-minute candle. It's oh wow. I already could have managed here. I wasn't aware. But I will close 50% of my trade here. This now looks like a fake out. Okay. End of the M30 bar. Wow, that looks nice. This looks good. That gives a little bit of hope. Let's go on. Please allow me to skip to the next bar for sake of time. Beautiful. Beautiful. That is 10 pips in profit. And my stop loss is... But I want to do it different. My plan was to buy, add to my position there. So I can't do it with it in 15 bar. I want to save some time, but that's not good. Sorry for that. Whoa, oh yeah. So fast. I can do it here. I will add 0.5%. Buy with the stop there, and the TP I want it. I can't take full TP. Let's try accept, because this is resistance above. Let me try to do it with the next bar. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Funny. All that work for just nothing. Okay, okay. See you later. So, now we are on Tuesday, 26th of November. We start again at the same time. Raja does it. This is the monthly candle, still bullish, but with that higher high, it looks very nasty. I will be happy to sell there. Weekly, very sideways this week. If this is this weekend, it was Monday, Tuesday currently. So it tried to go up, but it retraced back a lot. this was the weekly. Yeah, this is the daily. Sideways, we still have this shit going on in this sideways market. Just like that there. Okay. This the H4 look. H4 is sideways. Regarding structure, it is bearish. H1 should be bearish, but no. H1 is bullish because this was the turning point for bullish. It's bullish, and the push came from, well, in fact the push came from here, something like that. So unless we stay above here, we are bullish. M30, I guess it's the same. Yeah, well, yeah. So this is what my M30 looks like. I'm always very scary about all those lines that I've drawn. I think it's too much, but well. Okay, let me run the simulator. I will come back. Okay, this looks nice. 1 hour before New York opens. On M30, it looks like this. We broke this minor resistance. How does that look on H1? Yeah, very nice. Look at that. Very nice. It's a bit early. I don't like to trade around this time, but I guess I have to. But because it's too early for me, I won't take. Yeah, I should take an entry right here. I don't want to do it because we have also this wick, and this became resistance. So I'm not ready yet. I don't take a trade. So this is New York open. I'm happy that I did not buy. New York open on H1. It looks like this. Yeah, I can't do anything. Not yet. Okay, this looks quite interesting. On the hourly, M30, it made its rejection. Look at the large pin bar, the body is quite nice. The M30 closed just below support. M15. Yeah, this looks good. Let me measure what I can do with this. M30, my stop will be like 11.7, like a little less than 15 pips, and I got 20 pip room to there. Yeah, I will accept this risk. I count on volume from New York Stock Exchange and New York. Just yeah, remember what I said. Well, this is sideways, but I feel the hourly. Oh, this is difficult because we are also on 50% retracement here, boys. Golden zone. It's nasty, nasty. And what about the structure? The structure is not clear at all. Because we had this close there, but it wasn't. Yeah. Okay, I take a small trade. right about here. 1% trade. The stop. This is 15.6. I put 18.6. 3 pips above. It is. This would be on the support. 21 pips. I take 18. Just like that. Accept. I accept the risk. Ouch. This is 50 minutes later. Got to manage this position. Close partial. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, of course I was afraid of this. Next bar. Thank you. I bet you had the same. I'm sure you had the same. Yeah. Okay, maybe we can give it a second chance. This is the latest I will trade now. I can't do anything. Nope. Not for me. Next bar. Next bar. Okay, let me calculate what time this is. 1:34. Na half 1. 1 uur. That's 4, 5 uur. Now this is too late for me. I bet it goes up, but it's too late for me to take a trade. Let's see. Okay. Lucky me. Lucky me. Okay, okay. Let's go to tomorrow. Okay, the monthly. Looks like price went up a bit. Still bullish. Weekly. It is right at this resistance here. Structure is still bullish. Daily. Sideways in the bullish environment. It's made a high low, but this day is not done. No, we made resistance here. H4. Yeah, it's so sideways. That's just what I want to say. Okay, the hourly looks bullish, and the M30 is bullish. So I'm mainly interested in buying, but let's see how this goes. Okay. Alright. This is New York Open. It's very sideways. I can't do nothing right now. Okay, as you can see, price broke the resistance here, but we are just a few pips below this resistance. I don't dare to trade. Really don't do it. And this is the end of the trading day. I've done nothing. It's a Wednesday, so see on Thursday. Cheers. On Thursday the monthly chart doesn't look that different. The weekly, it's just about the same as the day before. Weekly, we had a support formed there. Of daily, we had support formed there. It's still not passed yet. No. H4 should be sideways, very sideways. Nothing really changed. Just that we had a this formed a hey, look, just where I sold, it started to make a move up. I don't think my sell was that bad. Maybe the problem is that I took it at the start of the new H4. It looks quite a bit nasty. And I would like to have your opinion, Hugo. Please. Please, mister. I beg you. Give your opinion. Daily. For me, the daily is bullish. But it runs into this nasty resistance. Yep. Just like that. Okay. H1. This is H1. Okay, my readings, which I just talked about, from monthly to hourly, those were completely wrong because I had my time wrong set in the simulator. It was still Wednesday 17 o'clock, so let's do it again. Now it is Thursday 13 o'clock. Weekly, very nice bullish, just at this high, looks extremely bullish. The daily, of course, it's the same, very bullish. H4 bullish, everything is bullish now. Everything is bullish, just the H1 is sideways. Okay, this is New York Open. I can understand that this volume, the larger grain body, looks attractive to buy from this support. I hesitate because this candle made a lower high and a lower low, so I won't take it. Also, the next 15-minute candle closed bullish, even above this pin, but we don't have an upper wick. It also is the first half of the M30 candle. It easily can go down. I don't have the guts. Okay, I'm watching this on the hourly chart, but it's only 16:30, so I have to go to the M30, which looks quite the same. This is New York Stock Exchange Open. As soon as price gets above this wick, I want to see a down wick first, then if we get above, I would take a 1% risk long, with a bad RR, but it's Friday and we know with the bear we can take some extra risk on a Friday. That always is a lot of pleasure. Okay, let's go. This is probably enough for a down wick. It's not large. Yeah, I'm happy with this for a down wick. Sure, happy. Okay, the hourly is almost done. 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it. Day's done, guys. Weekend. See you Monday. Love you all. Ciao, ciao. So this week was just a little loss. I did not have a lot of trades. Maybe I'm a pussy. I don't know. I don't think so. I think I traded very wise. Saved my account. It was a terrible market. A lot of sideways troubles, and the moves were not in this session. So I'm quite happy. See you later, boy. Bye bye.